This video will just give a quick overview of creating an automatic table of contents in Microsoft Word. So you'll need your document and you need to identify your headings and be on the Home tab where you'll look for the Styles section of the Home tab. And you want to take your most important headings and apply a heading 1 style to them. Okay, and that's the biggest and most important heading. Then any subheadings that you have might be the next step down, so heading 2 for instance. If you had any subheadings of your subheadings, then you might apply heading 3 and heading 4 and so on. But usually only the first 3 headings appear on a table of contents anyway. So you'll know it's a heading if you click on it, and you'll see it will highlight the style that's applied, and you also get this little triangle next to it, and it actually is a minimize option, which is not that useful in this case, but that's what it does there. And so you're just going to select each one and apply headings. Headings that are of the same importance will have the same size or same category of heading. So all these subheadings of the findings category will be heading 2. And I can do it manually individually, or I can select each one and then hold Control to select multiple ones. Then I'll apply heading 2 to all of them. And a nice thing here is that you can also right click on the style and choose select all, and we'll actually select all the heading 2s, and then maybe you need to change them to heading 1 or heading 3 or something like that. You can do that all at once. Okay, so now I've got a document that's got a whole bunch of heading 1s and 2s, and if you turn on your navigation bar in the bottom left by clicking on the page numbers, brings up navigation on the left, and you can actually jump to those headings, which is also quite convenient if you've got a long document. Now what we're going to do is go to the beginning of our document and insert a new page with Control Enter or insert a page break, and make sure you're at the top of this new page. The page break is actually taking up this space here, so you can turn that off, but no, make sure that you're in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to go to References, and the very first option in References is Table of Contents, and you can click on that and you'll get either automatic table 1 or 2. As far as I can tell, the difference is this heading that says Contents versus Table of Contents. You're going to click on that and it will populate your table of contents and automatically figure out the page numbers and so on, so that you don't have to. If at a later stage, let's say we actually deleted one of these headings or something like that, then you just have to click on the table again, say Update Table, and then it will change or add or remove any thing. So you know it's automatically generated because it actually has this sort of gray scenario happening here. Okay, and that's a very basic table of contents. If you wanted to do something fancier, you go to Table of Contents and choose Custom Table of Contents, and then you can actually change whether it's got a dot 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 or a dash or a line, whether it actually shows the page numbers or not, how it looks, so you can get some different sort of styles there, and how many levels appear. So if you only want level 1 headings or level 2 headings and level 3 headings and so on. Okay, and then you'll get a different table of contents based on the style that you chose. So that's it's not very appealing, is it? Okay, if you don't like the heading styles or colors that the table of contents and the styles give you, you go to Design, and then you can actually change the theme of the entire document, and that will change all the fonts, all the colors that are associated with that theme. But let's say I like the fonts, but I don't like the color scheme, then I can come over here on the right. There's fonts. You can actually change which ones are being used here. And you can change the color scheme, but keep the other stuff. So maybe I prefer my pinks there. And you can use these options in the middle here and really change what the headings look like as well. So that can give you some really different looks for your headings with very little effort on your part. Okay, and that's really quickly a table of contents and a bit of styles and other formatting.